Several employees of Cebu City Hall, including Mayor Michael Rama himself, are now working from home after being exposed to COVID-19 individuals. Rama has already suspended all physical meetings, has even gone back to holding virtual press conferences with the media due to the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the city.
Much as possible, ang pinaka-importante, anything that is convergence, we just have to, in the meantime, unless extremely emergency, but as of today, we just have to be sensitive. Dili man mahimo nga, you've said it, that we have some concern.
Ram assured the public that although he is currently in isolation, he is still monitoring physical activities that are ongoing, such as Basura Cleanup Storm, Task Force Tratsada, and the like. He also announced that all inbound travelers entering Cebu City will now need to present a negative RT-PCR test result no matter their point of origin.
We've been already not changing anything about inbound na atuan kaningingan lang na to requirement, which is fully vaccinated, pagkahuman, RT-PCR, saliva, and even rapid antigen. Mo man na itong mga requirements. So wala man na mawa.
They will also strengthen the implementation of their Oplan Puyo Gihapon Executive Order, which includes the regulation of barring unvaccinated individuals from entering enclosed establishments in the city. This has been Sheriza Mae Uy from ITV Cebu.